Have you ever wondered about the true cost of an EV? Many only focus on the sticker price. But what happens after 5 years? Today, we're breaking down the real cost of owning an electric vehicle in 2026. This is important because the long-term view changes everything. Let's start with fuel costs, often a shocker for new owners. The average gas driver spends over $2,000 each year. In contrast, EV owners can spend under $500 charging at home. That's not a typo. This gap can save you over $15,000 in 10 years. Now, let's talk maintenance. Gas engines have thousands of moving parts. Think oil changes, timing belts, and so much more. EVs, they have one moving part in the motor. No oil changes, no spark plugs, and no exhaust to replace. Studies show EV owners spend up to 50% less on maintenance over the car's lifetime. Plus, brakes last longer because of regenerative braking, saving you even more. What about battery longevity? The myth that EV batteries die quickly is outdated. In 2026, modern batteries often last over 200,000 miles with minimal degradation. Many manufacturers offer warranties from 8 to 10 years. That's typically longer than people keep their cars. This leads us to resale value. As battery technology improves and reliability data accumulates, used EVs are rising in value. Fewer parts mean fewer surprises for future owners, which builds trust in the market. And trust fuels demand, which ultimately drives value up. Now, let's consider time. Remember those hours spent at gas stations? Waiting, standing, and paying more each week? EV owners plug in at home, overnight. You wake up to a full charge, saving you precious time each year. Taking a broader view, when you tally fuel savings, maintenance costs, and resale values, you see a different story than just that day one price tag. Sometimes, a car that seems expensive up front ends up being the cheaper choice overall. But it's not solely about money. Owning an EV means fewer trips to the mechanic. There are fewer unexpected breakdowns. You gain predictability in your budget, and that's priceless in today's world. There's a quiet side to this too. A smoother ride, instant acceleration, and a cabin that feels peaceful. Driving an EV is like stepping into the future, while charging options and times keep improving. Range anxiety? It's becoming a thing of the past. Most 2026 EVs can cover a week of driving on a single charge for the average person. So, is an EV worth it long term? The answer isn't just yes. It's a resounding yes. Consider lower fuel costs, maintenance savings, strong resale value, and lasting batteries. That's not just a trend, it's a smart financial strategy on wheels. The real cost of owning an EV in 2026 isn't just the upfront payment. It's about what you save year after year. And that's a cost many people are thrilled to accept. If this opened your eyes to the truth behind EV ownership, hit subscribe. Next week, we'll explore something even bigger, so stay tuned. See you in the next one.